restless soul in a one North Texas town. My daddy worked the oil rigs and my mama held us down. By the time I turned 17, I was itching to break free. Packed my truck and hit the road, chasing what I couldn't see. Got a job in San Antonio, thought I'd finally settle in. Met a girl with honey eyes who made my head spin. We got married way too young, had a baby on the way, but that dust devil in my heart wouldn't let me stay. I got a dust devil heart, always spinning around. Can't put roots in the ground, can't stay in one town. Every time I think I'm home, that wind starts blowing hard. I'm cursed with a dust devil heart. Yeah, a dust devil heart tears everything apart, leaves nothing but damage where the love used to start. I keep running from the wreckage that I left behind the bar, 'cause I got a dust devil heart. My wife took the baby and moved back to Abilene. Said she couldn't love a man who was half a ghost, half a dream. I sent money when I had it, called on holidays, but a phone call ain't a daddy, and guilt don't fade away. Now I'm pushing 45, working construction down in Austin. Got another woman wondering why I'm always getting lost, and she don't know about the damage that I carry in my chest. This dust devil keeps on spinning, never gives me any rest. I got a dust devil heart, always spin around. Can't put roots in the ground, can't stay in one town. Every time I think I'm home, that wind starts blowing hard. I'm cursed with a dust devil heart. Yeah, a dust devil heart tears everything apart, leaves nothing but damage where the love used to start. I keep running from the wreckage that I left behind the bar, 'cause I got a dust devil heart. My son's 23 now, I saw him last Christmas Eve. He looked just like I did, angry as a man can be. He said, "You ain't never been a father, just a stranger passing through." And the worst part is I know that every word he said was true. This dust devil made me what I am, a tumbleweed in boots, a man who had it all but couldn't put down roots. I got a dust devil heart, been spinning all my life. Cost me my son, cost me my wife. Every time I found love, I tore it all apart with this goddamn dust devil heart. Yeah, dust devil heart, it's a West Texas curse. The more you try to fight it, the more it gets worse. I'm dying alone 'cause I couldn't play my part, all because of this dust devil heart.